All right, so if you own an Apollo and you are hearing play in the linkage, it's almost guaranteed coming from this bolt right here. And there's no bearings anywhere in this area. It's a metal bolt, metal linkage, metal shock. So you need to go very tight on this one in order to get rid of the play. Hear that? And you can actually like feel it if you put your finger right there. So I got a torque wrench set to 6, which is what most people would consider, you know, tight. Still plenty of play. So you actually need to go a little over double that, say about 16 on this one. So we'll hold it right here and then use the torque wrench at 16 Newton meters. There we go, let's try that. So you gotta go very, very, very tight on this bolt. Otherwise it's gonna make noise and have a little bit of play. All your bearings are in these other pivots down here, and those ones rarely make noise or have play.